Jetta, say hi. All right, so we're here today to reveal the 2018 February Ipsy bag. What do you think, Jetta? I think she likes it. It's a really pretty rose with a lace on top. And in each Ipsy bag, you get 5 items that you can decide what kind of stuff you want to get, so you can customize it to what you like. If you want it to be more makeup, eyes, lips, facial, moisturizer, so beauty products, hair. And so each month you'll get it in a bag like this, and then you'll get 5 products that are randomly selected and normally like a sample size. It's pretty cool because you never know what you're gonna get. And then they usually send you like a little inspirational note here, so that's what this one is, and say embrace everything you are. So here we go. All right, so the first item that we have is, looks like it's a beauty brush, 2-sided, so you can see that. And on one side, it's going to be really fluffy, so good for like blending. And then this side is going to be good for like loose powder, so it's a tapered end. So that's pretty cool. And what's also really cool is this is an Ipsy exclusive, so you'll start collecting these as you get them more. And so it's almost like a cool thing to collect. So collectors out there, it kind of gets you going. You want to keep seeing if you're going to get the same items. All right, so this is called Bye Bye Under Eye. So it looks like it's a It Cosmetics full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer. Cool. So for those late nights cosplaying, you can put this on and look fresh. Let's see. So it's pretty little. But like I said, they're sample sizes, and then if you like it, you can go on and actually purchase them, and they sometimes have a discount for you purchasing them. And it also says it's anti-aging waterproof. Let's see. So I'm going to actually try this on. The color that I got is light. So you, when you go on to your profile, you actually elect what tone you are, like color tone. So, all right. I'm just gonna use my finger because I don't have my brushes out here. I'm gonna take my glasses off. So you don't need a lot. Concealer is pretty thick, so you just want to apply it underneath your eyes. And I like to do like around where I'm red, like my nose. And then I do my lid too, because it helps keep your powder on as well. This is really thick, I will say, and really light. But once you have all of your makeup on, all right, so it's a little pale. What do you guys? But it's not bad. I would use it. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. So looks like this is a hand moisturizer, negative 417. You can see that. And it looks like this is paraben free and mineral oil free, so that's good news, right? And I was trying to see if it was also not tested on animals, but it does not say. It's like a treat. Does someone want a treat? Treat. Want to try this, Jetta? Come here. Alright, so I'm gonna see how this feels. Come here, you wanna smell it? So Jetta wants to smell it too. Come here, Jetta. Oh, this is nice. Not too thick. And also a cool thing about Ipsy is that they, when you get your box shipped, they'll send you information about your items beforehand. So it'll tell you like how to apply it, different ideas, like ways to wear it. So I know that they had said that you could actually use this for your hands and your feet. Jetta's messing with our cameraman. She is done with these products. And it looks like this next one is Mark's Sydney, London. It looks like it's a loose powder, foiled again is what it's called. So I'm gonna try to put this on the same eye that I applied my concealer on. This would be good for those that like to cosplay. This is a good color for Emma Frost, any characters that have like a silver look to them. So let's see if I can open this up. They don't want you to spill your powder, so that's good. Because this loose powder can be pretty messy. Okay, so I'm going to use the tapered end of this brush that I actually got and dust off a little. And then if you wanted to get like a even more dramatic look, you could actually wet the end of your brush. So you just want to tap it so it doesn't fall on the end of your oh, that's pretty. That's a cool shadow. Alright, fellow cosplayers, this is a good one. Let's see what else. I think we have one more item to look at. Alright, so this is Chlorane Shampooing Sec Eau d'Avon. That's French, and I took 10 years of French. Wow. So it's a dry shampoo with oat milk. There we go. So I'm not going to use this because my hair is not dirty, but that's pretty cool. It says that you would just spray it 10 inches from your hair, leave in for 2 minutes, and then brush throughout in the powder until the powder's removed. So sometimes you get products that you may not always use, but sometimes what I do, if I have friends that have the Ipsy bag as well, we'll look at each other's items and do like a tradesies. I can save them for presents. So even if it's not something that you find a use for right away, it's still a cool product to get because it's like you can use it in the future. And then sometimes I use my bags for purses, so I was just going to pull out an old one that I got, one of my favorites that I turned into a purse. So it's like a ticket theme one. So super cute. It's $10 a month, and you can unsubscribe at any point. There's no pressure to continue, and you get it every month around the same time. So definitely check out Ipsy if you don't know about it, and then definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel below. If you have any questions or want to know styles to use these for, you want to know what shampoo Jetta uses, let us know. And then next week we're going to do a new unboxing with Jetta being the host, and that is going to be from a dog box that we're going to be getting. So look forward to that. And again, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.